Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to cancel auto subscription on Netflix. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to cancel auto subscription on Netflix, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Netflix application on your phone. So this could be on your Android and it could be on iPhone. Once opened, locate and click on your default Netflix account. Then click on My Netflix at the bottom right. Locate and click on the three lines at top right. Click on Account. Now hang on for your account settings page to load. On the account settings, scroll down, locate and click on Cancel Membership. Then once you click on that, you should see where you can easily manage your Netflix membership. Next, go ahead and click on Cancel. This is going to expand the cancellation information. Cancel your membership, missing losing access to personalized recommendations. Now go ahead and click on Finish Cancellation. Once you click on Finish Cancellation, this is going to cancel auto subscription on your Netflix account, and you can undo request, and then you are good. So that's basically how to cancel Netflix auto subscription. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.